Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Friday, July 14th, 2017. Well, it looks like our marine air mass has really put up a fight and driven much further south than what was originally forecasted, pushing as far south as southern New Jersey into the south of the Philadelphia metro, and that means a stable air mass is in place, which reduces the threat for strong to severe thunderstorms for this afternoon, but does increase the threat for moderate to heavy rainfall through this morning and again this evening. Temperatures range from the lower to mid-60s in the New York City metro. However, around the Philadelphia metro, temperatures range anywhere from the lower to mid-70s and upper 70s to lower 80s over southern New Jersey. You can see where that marine air mass is pushing south and where the tropical air mass from yesterday continues to hang on, especially over Delaware and over southern New Jersey, let's say around Cape May and Atlantic City and those locations like that. On the infrared satellite picture, you could clearly see the stationary front pretty much hanging out here, and I have some doubt whether this is going to move all that much throughout the day today. I do think it will inch to the north of Philadelphia, but I don't think it passes to the north of New York City. And so this marine air mass is in place. We have all this moisture in the atmosphere, and then this cold front later on this afternoon is going to be moving through and driving all this moisture out. Note, behind this cold front, we actually clear out, humidity drops, and a polar air mass builds in, making for what should be a very nice weekend on the way. So with that setting up, that's going to lead to showers and thunderstorms this afternoon and evening, especially this evening. They're going to be capable of some very intense downpours, so it's something that we definitely have to keep an eye on. But I don't think we'll see much in the way of severe thunderstorms, at least over much of the northern Mid-Atlantic. We'll keep an eye on southern New Jersey, of course. On the radar, you can see wave after wave of moderate to heavy rainfall moving through the New York City metro, pushing into the Philadelphia metro. Notice over southern New Jersey, they're missing out right now, but watch out for this wave of rainfall that's going to be marching through portions of southern New Jersey. I think Cape May County remains dry for a little bit longer, but then watch out for the thunderstorms later on this afternoon, as much of this rainfall is along and to the north of that stationary boundary. So this is going to continue on through the morning hours, and then by the time we get to the afternoon, let's say afternoon, from noon to about 4 o'clock, we'll have a period of dry conditions. Can't rule out an isolated shower or thunderstorm, but for the most part, dry conditions. And then we'll get another wave of showers and thunderstorms this evening, as that cold front moves through and drives all of this moisture out of the area. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, again, I have some doubt as far as how far north this boundary gets. I think it's going to cut more through central New Jersey and up towards northeastern Pennsylvania, kind of like that. But we'll keep an eye on it and see how it evolves. The overall theme is here. To the north and along this boundary, you're looking at temperatures ranging anywhere from the upper 60s to mid 70s. To the south, you're talking about upper 70s to mid 80s for highs. Overall, wherever that boundary sets up, that's pretty much where your high temperatures are going to be. So I don't think New York City is going to be moving all that much in terms of temperatures, but Philadelphia has a good shot at hitting the mid 80s if we get that boundary to push northward. Overall, though, the main theme today is going to be rain and plenty of it. For this evening, we'll see that cold front approach the region with scattered showers and thunderstorms moving through overnight tonight. Look for the threat for showers and thunderstorms to continue until about 3 a.m. tomorrow morning. By tomorrow morning, we'll start to see skies clear out. Temperatures will range from the upper 60s to lower 70s as that humidity is going to be slow to leave. Then by the afternoon, you'll definitely notice a difference with much lower humidity and high temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast and lower to mid 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Sunday, high pressure is in control with clear skies, light and variable winds, lows in the mid 60s, highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast and mid 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Monday, an area of low pressure will approach the region with some widely scattered isolated showers, not looking at any heavy rainfall. Temperatures will range from the upper 60s to lower 70s for lows and upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast, lower to mid 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Tuesday, again, a threat for isolated showers will linger over the region. Nothing significant in terms of precipitation. We're talking about a tenth of an inch of rain, if that. Temperatures will range on Tuesday from the upper 60s to lower 70s for lows and upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast and mid 80s in the Delaware River Valley for highs. On Wednesday, scattered cloud cover is expected with high pressure in control. Look for lows in the upper 60s to lower 70s, highs in the lower to mid 80s along the coast, and mid to upper 80s in the Delaware River Valley. We could see a few 90s mixed in there as well. On Thursday, a cold front will approach the region with scattered showers and thunderstorms. This cold front may produce a few isolated severe thunderstorms as well. We'll have to watch that very carefully. Temperatures on Thursday will range from the lower 70s for lows, lower to mid 80s along the coast, and upper 80s to lower 90s in the Delaware River Valley. A rather humid day as well. But that humidity gets driven out with a cold front that will be slowly dropping through and stalling out around the Philadelphia metro. And that means scattered showers and thunderstorms. Temperatures range from the lower 70s for lows. And then as you go north, look for temperatures to range from the mid to upper 70s over the northern interior, talking about Connecticut, the Hudson River Valley, northeastern Pennsylvania, upper 70s to lower 80s in the New York City metro and Long Island, and then mid to upper 80s in the Philadelphia metro. Now, those upper 80s are highly dependent on where this front sets up and whether or not we're going to be dealing with more cloud cover and showers than currently forecasted, so we'll watch that very carefully. That is the forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NYNJPA Weather, and as always, stay safe out there.